The theme for Expo 2022 is exponential growth, which really underscores the importance of the role that Expo plays in sharing the industry insights and building connections between minority-owned businesses and corporate, government, and educational entities.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for coming to the HMSDC Rigel Awards luncheon today. This is one of our most prestigious events where we recognize those MBE advocates and supplier diversity professionals for their work in this area. The topic for today of our Biz Talk session is going to be Resilient Now.